people, welcome back to my channel Be Obsessed. This is Sumana, and how are you guys doing? I know you guys are doing great because that's what the messages that I receive in my inbox, which gets flooded with lots of love messages from you guys, and thank you so much for all the love that you're showering on my channel. And because of you guys, today I am what I am or where I am, and I cannot stop myself thanking you guys. Thank you so much. Once again, I keep repeating this because yes, I'm really grateful to you guys, because without you guys I am really nothing. And people who do not like my channel, I would request you not to spread any hate comments or any negative comments, because my channel is all about spreading love and extending love towards you guys, and you guys extending love towards me. So I don't like people with negativity, and I don't like people who spread negativity. So I would request people who do not like my channel, you can skip my channel and go to another channels which is of your liking. But please, for the remaining of my friends and my YouTube family, the Be Obsessed family, I don't want anyone to spread negativity. Thank you very much. And yes, so today's video is about another fantastic trending topic, which is the ketogenic diet. Yes guys, I am moving into a ketogenic diet. Yes, but I have consulted a specialist, and with conversation with the specialist, I have got my diet designed accordingly as per my body type and as per the activities that I do in a particular day. And I will be starting my keto diet. So today is day 1 for my keto diet, and I am at a 60 kgs right now. Yes, I know I have gained a lot of weight because I am generally around 54 to 55 kgs, but now because there was a lot of vacations, I guess I have gained a lot of weight. So I need to shed those extra kilos because I have another function coming up very soon, which is in the month of May, and that will be again a line of function. So I need to look good, trust me. And that is the reason I have started the ketogenic diet. So day 1, I have just taken whatever was informed to me, and I will be filming the entire journey on the keto diet with you guys, along with the recipes that has been recommended to me. I would try and share most of the recipes with you guys, so people who are trying or planning to get into the ketogenic diet and try it for a week or so to check the results can actually try the recipes that I am trying, because I have a cuisine or a taste bud which is like a multi-cuisine type of. It depends on my mood, in what mood I am and what type of food I want to eat. So that is the reason I have informed everything to my specialist, and my specialist has given me the diet accordingly. I will keep you guys updated with the results that I'm getting, and also the pros and cons of being on keto diet. Right now I am researching on the keto diet and also the intermittent fasting. I am also doing the intermittent fasting with the keto diet, which is I'm eating for almost like 8 hours, and I am fasting for the remaining 16 hours. But as of now, I am not doing it very rigidly because I am not able to follow it that rigidly, because I have to go out, and sometimes during weekends I go out for parties or something. So I try to balance it between 13 to 14 hours of fasting and remaining part as eating. But when I spoke to the expert told me that your body, when it is 13 hours, that is the time when your body reaches the point where it starts of thinking to burn fat in order to convert it into energy, and when it fixes and when it hits the spot of 16 hours, that is the actual time when your body reaches ketosis. I am not an expert, guys. I am not a medical practitioner that I can give you advice. I will only share what I am doing and what information that I am getting through the research and through speaking with different people. That is what I am sharing with you guys. So if you are also someone from the keto family or someone who is following the ketogenic diet and have received results, please leave your comment below in the description box and let me know, so that we both can enjoy and exchange the food items, as in the recipes, so that I can get to do my food recipes and share it with you guys, and you guys can also try your recipes and share it with me and other keto lovers, so that we have a variety of keto diet and keto recipes, so that we are never bored of eating the same thing over and over again. So I think that was too much of blabbering that I did in this video. It was just an introduction video to let you know that yes, I'm very excited to move to the keto diet, and I think I've taken a lot of time, but yeah. So this is all about it. I'm gonna end the video here, and I will keep you updated every day on what I am doing on my keto diet. So this is Sumana signing off, and be obsessed about yourself, stay fit and stay healthy. Love yourself. Bye bye.